We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello all, I am Chandni Shah. Today we are going to study about normalization. Now basically what is normalization? It is a process of designing good quality databases. Now the next question arises, what are exactly the good quality databases? Well, we can know that once we know what are the bad quality databases. So today we are going to see the anomalies that are created by poor database design, and that also justifies the need that why exactly normalization is needed. So let's begin. These are the major anomalies that we would be addressing today. For explaining the anomalies, we would be taking the same account table as taken in previous videos with one additional column, that is branch address. So we have one record in Ahmedabad branch, 2 records in Vadodara branch and 2 records of Nadiad branch. Redundancy. One of the main goal of database design is to minimize storage space. Now as shown in the table, there are 2 accounts in Nadiad and Vadodara, and so even the address is stored twice. This is an example of data redundancy. Data redundancy leads to memory wastage. So a good database design should not have redundancy. Update anomaly. For example, suppose that I want to update the address of Nadiad branch. I have to reflect it in all rows. If by mistake some rows are not reflected, then it will render my database into an inconsistent state. So this anomaly is called update anomaly, where incorrect data may have to be changed, which could involve many records having to be changed, leading to the possibility of some changes being made incorrectly. Insertion anomaly. Suppose say a bank is opening new branch. It cannot enter the branch name and branch address in the table because currently it does not have any new accounts created in it. Account number is the primary key of the table, and so null values cannot be inserted into it. This anomaly is called insertion anomaly, where it is not possible to add a required piece of data unless another piece of unavailable data is also added. Deletion anomaly. For example, say if user with account number A01 decided to close the account, we have to delete that row from the table, but it will also result in loss of Ahmedabad branch data because currently Ahmedabad is having currently that one single user. Such kind of problem is called deletion anomaly, where record of data when deleted from a database, the deletion can result in deletion of only instance of other required data. Null value. Null values are always problematic for operations such as joins, functions like sum, count, etc. So null values must be avoided whenever possible. So finally we conclude that normalization will remove all such anomalies and provide a good quality database. These are the references. Disclaimer. Thank you.